Hey guys, this is just a quick little intro about the video that if you just keep watching, you'll see. I filmed that real quickly. Sometimes I am filming things for TikTok where I'm not 100%, I'm not as like pulled together as I am when I film on here. Usually I try to always have my hair done or makeup, but sometimes over there I'm like in the middle of testing some makeup, or I'm gonna make a hair video, or I'm trying to do a lot of things in a lot of different places. But at the same time, keep content fresh. Over there on TikTok, often we have these things that are like identity banners that just kind of help interest. And what I did not realize that because the first part of the video, I'm sitting down and I have the identity banner across, and that works out fine. But then as I get up to show something that I purchase, and you'll see when I watch it, I end up having that banner totally across my head, and I realize that. So I kind of assumed that when people make those things, that if the content it changes, that I thought that the banner would change, but it doesn't. If the banner stays the same, it doesn't matter what your video is. So anyway, so I am aware that I'm going to try to do better. But anyway, I thought it was a cute little haul video, and something had a little try on, and I thought you all would enjoy it. So anyway, I'm trying to to be more aware of those things as I make videos in these different places, and then share them over on other places. And you guys are the most vocal and more, and give me a lot of great suggestions and a lot of great ideas, and I'm so appreciative of that. So anyway, don't forget to have thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video with friends who like beauty and style, or maybe somebody who just might need a smile. And don't forget to hit subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can find out when I upload new videos, okay? And so keep watching and just enjoy this. It's just a short little mini Amazon haul, okay? All right, thanks so much for watching. Take care. Hey, how's it going? So I have a this is one of the most random Amazon, I just call it a mini haul. Mini haul that I think I've ever done. Is the most odd mix of objects, of products that I could have bought, and so I did open it last night just to make sure what it was, and I just thought it was so humorous of what what it is that I wanted to show you. Plus I did get something really cool that I wanted to share. So anyway, so one of the first things I did buy, well, first of all, I just want to show this box, okay? This Amazon box that's pink. I guess they're doing a promotion of with Maybelline. But it's funny because I did not order this mascara, but when it came, I was like, oh my god, look at this pink Amazon box that's pink with Maybelline. So that's kind of cute. And I did order a Rimmel Stay Glossy lip gloss. I'm not sure, it doesn't show. Well, I did take the sticker off. And I think the name was on but it's like a pale, this is what I go to a lot. If I have the dog is whining because she wants to have lunch already, and it's not even time for her lunch. But anyway, so it's a cool gold shimmer gloss from Rimmel, and I can, I'll link it in my Amazon favorites. So you'll see what shade it is, but it's really cute. It's a fun neutral shade that you can wear by itself, or just or over other colors. I do that a lot with like this color, like peachy color or pink, or even like a plum color. This is like my go-to, or even like a more pinky gold. Okay, so another thing, this was wrapped like 100 times over, and I couldn't even figure out what it was, and it was so heavy. And then I remember that this is the pistachio spread. Now, after I did that video about that coffee shop in Northern Virginia, I was obsessed with pistachio cream, the Middle Eastern pistachio cream, and this is or this okay. They either had Middle Eastern pistachio cream or Italian pistachio cream, and I also think there's a Greek pistachio cream, but I think anywhere around the Mediterranean, it's going to be kind of similar. And this was the Pisti Crema Spalmabile pistachio. Okay, and I was like, so it's a lot. I guess it's in Italian. So this is like for coffee, desserts, various and sundry things. I can't wait to use this. I'm obsessed with pistachio things now. So this was from Amazon, and then last but not least, I did pull this out just to make sure the size wise. I wanted to have like this kind of topper, like because now we're getting into fall with the either hoodie season or whatever, but then there are times where I like to wear a t-shirt underneath, but want to have something that's a little dressier than a hoodie. I just ignore my hair. I haven't styled it yet. But anyway, so I got one of these pretty like scarf like topper things. So let's see how it looks. Okay, so and today's just a sports bra kind of a day. Okay, so this actually kind of goes with the t-shirt that I have on. This is like a t-shirt from the mid 2010s. Okay, so this is really pretty. This is an XL. It says who made it by Rose Floral XL. Didn't have a brand, but I can also link this in my favorites too. But this is cute. This is really cute. See, it's kind of like just elevates a little dressy, if you're having friends over or something, you don't feel like just having the same old boring kind of just hoodie kind of action. You want to, or just be, just a little elevated, or you're going somewhere and you just want to look a little dressier, but at the same time, like I've got leggings on, I've just got a t-shirt on, or sometimes a tank top, but you want to have a little bit of the arm coverage. So, I like this a lot. It's very me. And sometimes you want to have like the sheer, so you still see your body, but at the same time you feel like you have a little coverage. There's times you want a little coverage. 59 years old, sometimes you want to have a little coverage, or sometimes this is nice like for the boudoir, So anyway, this is my random, quick, mini Amazon haul, and I'll link everything in my Amazon favorites, okay? Hope you have a great day. See you next time. Bye.